Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your screen display to have more white, blue, or more yellow color on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, go down and tap on Display and Brightness. In here, tap on True Tone if you want more yellow. So you can see as soon as I tap on the True Tone switch to turn it on, the screen will go from white, blue to more of a yellow color. Now it will take a few seconds for the colors to change. And if you want to have a more of a white blue, and then you switch off True Tone, and you will immediately see the screen changes from a darker yellow to a more cool white. And that's it. Now if you're still having colors issues with your display, another thing you can do is go into accessibility. So from settings, go to accessibility, and then you go to display and text size. Then you go down and we look for color filters, and in color filters you can switch it on, and then you can play around with the different colors available down here, and that will allow you again to change the different colors on your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.